Hello students, in this lecture we continue the examples in the exercise 4.6, that is the examples on the matrix multiplication, okay, multiplication of the matrices. Okay, now it is the 8th example in the exercise 4.6. Here given A matrix, it is 1 minus 2 5 6 and it is a B matrix. Then we want to find the value of A into B minus 2i. Here the I is identity matrix of the order 2. Okay, now here the given matrices. See carefully, here it is given A. The A matrix, it is a 1, minus 2, 5 and 6. It is a B matrix 3, minus 1, 3, 7. And the I is an identity matrix of order 2. It is a 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay, here these three matrices are the given. Now we want to find the value of A into B minus 2i. So we first find A into B, that is the product of the matrices A and B, and then we find the 2 into I, that is the scalar multiple of matrix identity matrix with 2, that is a 2 into I, and then AB minus 2i. Okay, here first we find A into B. Therefore A into B, here it is a 1 minus 2 5 6 into B matrix 3 minus 1 3 7. Okay, now the multiplication it is here, first row first column. Okay, we can take the row from the first matrix A and column from the matrix B and multiply the corresponding elements from the row and column, and the multiplication is the addition of the product of corresponding elements in the first row, it is a row of the first matrix, and the column of the second matrix. That is here first row first column, then we multiply first row second column. Okay, here, and then after we multiply second row first column and then second row second column. That means first we multiply by first row to the all columns in the matrix B. We multiply by first row to the all columns, that is the first column and the second column, and then we multiply by the second row in the, again all columns of the matrix B. Okay, it is the first matrix and it is the second. Okay, now first row first column, multiplication of the corresponding element, that is 1 into 3 plus minus 2 into 3, that is 1 into 3, it is a 3, plus minus 2 into 3, it is a minus 6. So here we can write minus 6. It is the first row first column, then first row second column, 1 into minus 1, it is a minus 1, and minus 2 into 7, it is a minus 14. Okay, then second row first column, it is a 15 plus 18, 15, and it is 6 into 3 plus 18. Then second row second column, that is minus 5 plus 42. Okay, see carefully here, minus 5 and it is a plus 42. So the A into B, we can write here the calculation of A into B, it is 3 minus 6, it is minus 3, then minus 1 minus 14, it is a minus 15, then 18 plus, it is 15 plus 18, it is a 33, and here 5 minus 5 and it is a plus 42. See carefully, minus 5 and it is a plus 42, it is a 37. Okay, here it is a product of A and B. Now we find the 2i and 2i, that is a 2 into I, 1 0 0 1 is equal to, it is 2 0 0 2. See carefully, 2i, 2 into multiplication of the matrix I, that means it is a scalar multiple. Okay, for the scalar multiplication we multiply all elements in the matrix by this scalar, and it is a 2. Okay, and now last, now AB minus 2i is equal to AB. It is AB. Minus 3, minus 15. 33, 37. Minus 2i. It is a 2, 0, 0, 2. Okay. And now we take the subtraction. Here. It is a subtraction. That means subtraction of the corresponding element. Minus 3, minus 2. It is minus 5. Minus 15 minus 0, it is a minus 15. Then 33 minus 0, it is a 33. And 37 minus 2, it is a 35. Here, it is the value of AB minus 2i, minus 5, minus 15, 33, and it is a 35. Okay, it is the example number 8. Now, we see the next example. Example number 9. If the matrix A 4, 3, 2, minus 1, 2, 0 and B 1, 2, minus 1, 0, 1, minus 2. Then show that matrix AB that is A into B is non-singular. Okay. Here we want to prove that the matrix AB is a non-singular. Here singular matrix means the determinant of matrix is a 0, then it is a singular matrix, and the determinant of a matrix is a non-zero, then it is a non-singular matrix. Now first we want to find the matrix AB. Here given that the matrix A and matrix B, first we find the matrix AB, that means the product of the matrix A and B. Okay. Now first we take the multiplication of these two matrices. Here given the matrix A 4, 3, 2, minus 1, 2, 0 and B 1, 2, minus 1, 0, 1, minus 2. Okay. Now first we take the product of these two matrices. A into B, the matrix A, it is a 4, 3, 2, minus 1, 2, 0 and here 1, 2, minus 1, 0 and 1, minus 2. Okay. Here it is A and B. A is the first matrix, B is the second matrix. Now the multiplication, take the row from the first matrix and columns from the second matrix, okay, for the multiplication. Okay. Therefore here first row, first column, see carefully, first row and it is a first column, and multiply the corresponding unit. 4 into 1, it is a 4. 3 into minus 1, it is a minus 3, and 2 into 1, it is a 2. Okay, it is a first row, first column. Now first row, second column, 8, then 3 into 0, it is a 0, and 2 into minus 2, it is a minus 4. Okay, first row, first column, first row, second column. Now second row, first column, it is a minus 1, minus 2 and plus 0. Okay, here see carefully, minus 1 into 1, minus 1, 2 into minus 1, minus 2, and 0 into 1, it is a 0. Now second row, second column, minus 1 into 2, it is a minus 2, 2 into 0, it is a 0, and 0 into minus 2, again it is a 0, plus 0 or minus 0. and then this is, see carefully, 4 minus 3, it is 1. 1 plus 2, it is a 3. Then 8 minus 4, it is a 4. And then it is minus 3. And here it is minus 2. Okay. See carefully. It is a matrix A into B. But we have to show that the matrix AB is a non-singular. So we find the determinant of this matrix. Okay. If the determinant of this matrix is a 0, it is a non-singular. But here question is to show that. Okay. It is a obviously non-singular, but we can check the value. The determinant is non-zero. Okay. Now determinant of AB is equal to A into B, this matrix. Therefore it is a 3, 4, minus 3 and minus 2. Then the determinant, it is multiplication of these two matrices, it is a minus 6. And here minus the multiplication of these two. Okay, it is a multiplication, it is a minus 12. So we can write here plus 12. And then it is a 6. Okay, and 6 is not equal to 0. Okay, here therefore determinant of A into B is not equal to 0, and therefore AB is non-singular matrix. AB is a non-singular matrix. Okay. Now we see the next example. See carefully. If the determinant of matrix is a 0, then it is a singular, and if determinant of matrix is a non-zero, then it is a non-singular. Next, the example number 10. If A is equal to 1, 2, 0, 5, 4, 2, 0, 7, minus 3. 1, 2, 0, 5, 4, 2, 0, 7, minus 3. Find the product here. A plus I into A minus I. Okay, A plus I and A minus I. Okay, we want to find the product. Okay, product of A plus I and A minus I, where I is the identity matrix, and here I is the identity matrix of order 3, because the order of matrix A, it is a 3 by 3. Okay, so the identity matrix is also 3 by 3, because here the addition and subtraction are the exist. We can find the product of this addition and subtraction. Okay, therefore this addition exists, then we take the product. That means the identity matrix is the same of order A. Okay, that means the identity matrix of order 3. Now here given A 1, 2, 0, 5, 4, 2, and then it is 0, 7, minus 3. Then identity matrix 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, identity matrix of order 3. Now first we find A plus I. Okay, therefore A plus I, that means the matrix A 1, 2, 0, 5, 4, 2, 0, 7, minus 3. plus I, that is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 is equal to, see carefully, the addition. Okay, here only the diagonal elements, okay, all non-diagonal elements are 0 in the identity matrix. So here change only in the diagonal elements which are increased by 1. Therefore it is 1 plus 1, it is a 2, 2 plus 0, it is a 2 and it is a 0, 5 5 2, 0 7 and it is a minus 2. Okay, see carefully this. We take the addition. Okay, now A minus I, the A 1 2 0 5 4 2 and then it is 0 7 minus 3 minus 1 0 0 0 1 0 and it is a 0 0 1. Okay, now we can take the subtraction. Here subtract the corresponding elements. 1 minus 1, it is a 0. 2 minus 0, it is a 2 and 0 minus 0, it is 0. 5 minus 0, 5. 4 minus 1, it is a 3. Therefore it is a 5 3 and it is a 2. 2 minus this 0. Then 0 minus 0 0, 7 minus 0 7 and minus 3 minus 1, it is minus 4. Therefore it is a 0 7 and it is minus 4. It is a subtraction. And now we take the multiplication of these two matrices. Okay, now here A plus I into A minus I is equal to, see carefully, A plus I into A minus I. A plus I, it is a 2 2 0 5 5 2 and 0 7 minus 2 into this 0 2 0 5 3 2 and 0 7 minus 4. See carefully, we can take the multiplication of these two matrices. Okay, here multiplication is, first we can write here. Okay, see carefully, first row first column. Okay, see carefully, it is first row and only first column. 2 into 0 0, 2 into 5, it is 10 and 0 into 0, it is 0. Therefore here 0 plus 10 and plus 0, it is a first row first column element. See carefully, we can multiply only the first row and it is a first column. Okay, and multiplication is the addition of the product of the corresponding element in the row of the first matrix and the column of the second matrix. Then it is first row first column, we will get this. Now first row second column, see carefully, it is a first row and it is a second column. 2 into 2, 2 into 3 and it is a 0 into 7. 2 into 2, it is a 4. 2 into 3, it is a 6 and 0 into 7, it is a 0. Okay, 2 into 2 4, 2 into 3 6 and it is 0 into 7, it is a 0. Now first row third column, therefore it is a 0 plus 4 and minus 0. See carefully, 2 into 0 0, 2 into 2 4 and it is a 4 into minus 4, it is a 0. Okay, now here we multiply by first row to the all columns in the matrix, second matrix. Okay, now we take the second row and we multiply by second row to the all columns in the second matrix. It is a second row first column, that means 5 into 0 0, 5 into 5 25 and it is a 2 into 0, it is a 0. Therefore here we can write 0 plus 25 and plus 0. Okay, here it is a second row first column. Now second row second column, 10 plus 15 and plus 14, 10 plus 15 and plus 14. Okay, see carefully, check all the calculation. 5 into 2 10, 5 into 3 15 and it is a 2 into 7 14. Now second row third column, 5 into 0, it is a 0 plus 14, sorry, it is plus 10 and minus 8. See carefully. Second or third column, 5 into 0, it is 0. 5 into 2, it is a 10. Okay, and 2 into minus 4, it is a minus 8. Okay, now last, third row, first column, third row, second column, and third row, third column. Third row, first column, 0 into 0, 0. 7 into 5, it is a 35, and minus 2 into 0, it is a 0. Therefore, it is a 0 plus 35 and plus 0. Then, third row, second column, 2 into 0, it is a 0. 0 into 2, it is 0. 7 into 3, it is a 21. And then, see carefully, minus 2 into 7, it is a minus 14. And last, third row, third column, it is a 0. 0 into 0, 0. 2 into 7, it is 7 and it is 2. It is a plus 14. And minus 2 into minus 4, it is a plus 8. Okay, here it is a multiplication. Now we can write only the calculation of this. Okay, here 10. Again it is a 10. First row, second column, and first row, third column, it is a 4. Then second row, first column, it is a 25. Then it is 10 plus 15, 25. Okay, 25 plus 14, it is a 39. Then 10 minus 8, it is a 2. Now it is a 35. Then it is here 21 minus 14, it is a 7. And last, 14 plus 8, 14 plus 8 is a 22. And it is a last answer. It is a product of a plus I into a minus I. A plus I into a minus I. It is a product. It is 10, 10, 4, 25, 39, 2, 35, 7, and it is a 22. Okay. Now we see the next example. Example number 11. If here it is given A, the matrix A is equal to alpha 0 1 1 and B 1 0 2 1. Then find alpha if A square is equal to B. Here we want to find the value of alpha, and the condition is A square, the matrix A square is equal to B. Okay. Now here given the matrices A and B. A, it is alpha 1, alpha 0, 1, 1, and B, it is 1, 0, 2, 1. Now, first we find the A square. A square is equal to A into A, and that is A, it is alpha 0, 1, 1. Alpha 0, 1, 1. Now we take the multiplication. Here, first row, first column, that is a alpha square plus 0. Alpha square plus 0. Then first row, second column, it is a 0 plus 0. Alpha into 0, it is a 0, and 0 into 1 is also 0. here see carefully the first row and second column. Now the second row first column, it is a alpha plus 1, and second row second column, it is a 0 plus 1, and therefore it is alpha square 0 alpha plus 1, it is 1. It is the value of a square. Okay, but also given here it is a square is equal to b, but it is a square, it is a given a square is equal to b, then a square alpha square 0 alpha plus 1, and it is 1, and then is equal to b 1 0 2 1. Okay, here these two matrices are the equal, that means the corresponding elements are also same, corresponding elements are the equal, therefore we want to find the value of alpha, therefore you can write alpha square is equal to 1, alpha square is equal to 1, it is a 0 is equal to 0 and 1 is equal to 1, and here alpha plus 1 is equal to 2. When alpha square is equal to 1, see carefully, when we take the alpha square is equal to 1, alpha is equal to plus or minus 1, alpha is equal to plus 1 or minus 1, that means the value of the alpha, it is a plus 1 or minus 1. But here again one equation is there, and alpha plus 1 is equal to 2, alpha plus 1 is equal to 2, corresponding element, it is a second row first column, it is second row first column are the same. And now here when we take alpha is equal to minus 1, it is a minus 1 plus 1, it is a 0, 0 is equal to 2, okay, does not exist. That means the value of alpha, here alpha square, that means the two values of the alpha, that is a plus 1 and minus 1. But in this example, if alpha is equal to minus 1, this equation does not exist. So both equations satisfy, both satisfies alpha is equal to 1, and it is the last answer. Here alpha is equal to 1 and it is alpha is equal to 1, that means the last answer alpha equal to 1. Okay, see carefully, if this condition is not in the equation, only one alpha square is equal to 1, okay, one condition, then the value of the alpha are the plus or minus 1. okay, तुमच्या एक्झाम्पल मध्ये ही कंडिशनच जर दिलेली नसती अल्फा प्लस 1 इज इक्वल टू 2, तर अल्फाच्या दोन व्हॅल्यू निघाल्या होत्या, अल्फा इज इक्वल टू काय लिहिलं लागणार होतं तुम्हाला प्लस 1 और मायनस 1, बट इथे काय दिलेले अल्फा स्क्वेअर इक्वल टू 1 आणि दुसरी कंडिशन काय अल्फा प्लस 1 इज इक्वल टू 2, म्हणून इथं मायनस 1 घेता येणार नाही. ओके, मग अल्फाची किंमत काय असणार 1. ओके, नाउ वी सी द नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल. Next, the example number 12. If A is equal to 1 2 2 2 1 2 2 2 1, then show that A square minus 4a is a scalar matrix. Okay, here we want to show that the a square minus 4a is a scalar matrix. First we know what is the scalar matrix. Okay, here given that the A, it is a matrix A, and we want to find first the a square minus 4a. First find a square 4a and then subtraction of these two matrices. Okay, and then subtraction is a scalar matrix. Now what is the scalar matrix? Scalar matrix, it is a square matrix whose non-diagonal elements are the 0 and the diagonal elements are the same. Okay, diagonal elements are all of same and non-diagonal elements are the 0. It is the scalar matrix. Okay, now we find first a square, then we find the 4a, then we take the subtraction of these two matrices, and then we will get one matrix, okay, which is a scalar matrix. Okay, we check this here. Now it is a given matrix A. First we find the a square. Okay, a square means a into a, and then a into a. It is 1 2 2 2 1 2 2 2 1 into 1 2 2 2 1 2. It is a 2 2 1. Okay, here first we find the a square, that means a into a, that is the multiplication of these two matrices. Okay, here we can write here the multiplication. Here first row, first column, see carefully. First row 1 into 1, 2 into 2, and it is a 2 into 2, that means 1 plus 4 and plus 4. Okay, then first row second column, that means 2 plus 2 and plus 4. See carefully. First row second column, 1 into 2, 2, 2 into 1, 2, and it is a 2 into 2, 4. Now first row third column, it is a 2 plus 4 and plus 2. See carefully. 1 into 2, it is a 2. Okay, 2 into 2, it is a 4, and 2 into 1, it is again 2. Okay, now second row first column, second row, it is a 2 plus 2 and plus 4. See carefully. 2 into 1, 2, 1 into 2, 2, and it is a 2 into 2, it is a 4. Now second row second column, it is a 4 plus 1 and plus 4. 2 into 2, 4, 1 into 1, 1, and 2 into 2 again 4. Now second row third column, it is a 4 plus 2 and it is plus 2. Okay, second row third column. Now third row first column, it is a 2 plus 4 and plus 2. See carefully. Third row first column, it is a third row and it is first column. 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 2, 4, and it is 1 into 2, 2. Now second row, sorry, third row second column, so it is a 4 plus 2 and plus 2. Now third row third column, 2 into 2, 4, 2 into 2, 4, and 1 into 1, 1. That is 4 plus 4 plus 1. Okay, see carefully this. And now we get a square. A square, it is 9 8 8. Again 8 9 8. Then 8 8, and it is a 9. It is a square. Now we want to find a square minus 4a. Therefore a square minus 4a, and we find the 4a, 4 into a, then it is 1 2 2 2 1 2, and it is a 2 2 1. Then it is 4 8 8 8 4 8 8 8, and it is a 4. Here 4 into matrix A, that means we multiply all elements in the matrix A by 4, it is 4. And now last we want to find a square minus 4a. Okay, a square minus 4a, we can write here. Now a square minus 4a. Okay, now a square, it is a 9 8 and 8 8 9 8 8 8 and 9. It is a square minus 4a. 4a, it is a 4 8 8 8 4 8 8 8 4. And now we take the subtraction. Here 9 minus 4, it is a 5. 8 minus 8, it is a 0. It is a 0. Again 0 5 0 0 0 5. Okay, see carefully. Okay, here subtraction of the corresponding elements, and a square minus 4a, it is 5 0 0 0 5 0 0 0 5. That means the non-diagonal elements are the 0 and diagonal elements are the same. So a square minus 4a is a scalar matrix. Here, therefore, a square minus 4a is a scalar matrix. Okay, here it is a scalar matrix. See carefully. First we find a square, then 4a, and the subtraction of a square minus 4a. A square minus 4a is this. Non-diagonal elements are the 0 and diagonal elements are the same. So it is a scalar matrix. Now we see the next example. Example number 13. If A is equal to 1 0 minus 1 7, find K so that the a square minus 8a minus ki is equal to, it is a 0 or denote the O. Okay, it is a 0 matrix where I is a unit matrix. And 0 is a null matrix. Of order 2. Now, here the given A matrix, we want to find first a square minus 8a minus ki and is equal to 0. That is a 0 matrix. Okay, here it is a 2 by 2, so 0 is also 2 by 2, that is a 0 0 0 0. Okay, now first we find the a square. Here it is a given. Here given we can write the all matrices A, I and it is 0. The A matrix 1 0 minus 1 7. I, it is the identity matrix of order 2 1 0 0 1, and the 0 matrix of order 2, it is a 0 0 0 0. Okay, these matrices are the given A, I and it is a 0. Now first we find the a square. A square, that is a into A 1 0 minus 1 7 into 1 0 minus 1 7. See carefully this. Now multiplication. Here first row first column, 1 into 1 1 and 0 into minus 1, it is a 0, therefore 1 plus 0. First row first column, it is a 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0. Now second row first column, it is a minus 1 minus 7, minus 1 and it is minus 7. Second row second column, it is a 0 plus 49, 7 into 7, and then it is a square is 1 0 minus 8 and it is a plus 49, it is the value of the a square. Okay, now we find the 8a, that is 8 into matrix A 1 0 minus 1 7, and therefore 8a becomes 8 0 minus 8, and it is a 56. Okay, it is 8a. Now last we find the k into I, and it is a k into I, k into 1 0 0 1, and then it is k 0 0 k multiply by k to the matrix I, multiply by k to the all elements in the matrix I. This. Now we find a square minus 8a minus ki is equal to 0. It is a given. Okay, here given that a square minus 8a minus ki is equal to 0. Therefore a square, here we can write a square, it is 1 0 minus 8 49, 1 0 minus 8 49, minus 8a 8 0 minus 8 56, minus ki, that is a k 0 0 k, and is equal to 0, that is a 0 0 0 0. Okay, here we can write only the 0, and in the last step we can write this matrix. Okay, also okay, here we can write only the 0, and in the last step take the matrix, that is a 0 0 0 0. Now take the calculation of this. Therefore we subtract it. See carefully, 1 minus 8 and minus k we can directly write, or step by step. First subtract these two matrices and then subtract this. Okay, step by step, or we can directly subtract 1 minus 8 and it is a minus k, 1 minus 8 minus k, that is minus 7 minus k. We can directly write also, or step by step. Here 1 minus 8, it is a minus 7. Okay, 0 minus 0, it is a 0, minus 8 minus minus 8, it is a 0, 49 minus 56, it is a 7, sorry, minus 7. Okay, and minus this matrix as it is, and it is 0 0 0 0. Okay, here we can eliminate this step and we can directly write this subtraction, that is 1 minus 8 minus 7, and again minus k, it is a minus 7 minus k. Okay, minus 7 minus k, here minus 7 minus k, it is a 0, again it is a 0, and here minus 7 minus k, 0 0 0 0. See carefully. Now these two matrices are equal, therefore corresponding elements are the same, and then minus 7 minus k is equal to 0, and therefore k is equal to minus 7. It is the value of k when this condition is given. Okay, see carefully, check all the calculations.